Video number 5, how to do local marketing the right way. In this step-by-step process, I will show you the greatest 5 strategies to get the most out of local marketing on the web on behalf of your offline business. I will show you the easiest, fastest, and cheapest ways to apply these strategies. Those strategies are local website, local search, local marketing on social media, local marketing on mobiles, and local lead generation. Strategy number 1, local website. I'm sure you didn't know that there is an absolutely awesome website somewhere on the web completely related to your business topic and ready to plug in and start using it right away. Well, that's because someone very talented has taken the time to apply several awesome local marketing tricks on them and is offering them to you for a fraction of the cost, and even free. Today, creating a website has become extremely easy, really. What we recommend you do is use what is called a responsive WordPress theme for local marketing. Responsive means your website can be viewed on absolutely any device of any size. Responsive WordPress themes are the future made the present for extraordinary business websites. With a WordPress theme, you can do almost anything with your website by just installing a plugin. There are awesome places to find really nice local marketing WordPress themes, ready to be displayed on every single computer device at the same time. You can Google it. Just Google local marketing WordPress theme, and you'll find a lot of great templates to use. Themeforest.net is one of the greatest places to find some really nice responsive WordPress themes, especially for your local business. You just search for what you need, and there you'll find multiple options. Inkthemes.com has an extraordinary collection of local marketing WordPress themes as well. They'll even show you some live examples of the theme, and by resizing your browser, checking these options here, you will be able to check out how responsive it is. WordPress.org gives you a lot of free WordPress themes itself. They will even give you access to free theme samples of the paid theme services for testing purposes. You can also visit other websites listed on Google to find some awesome ideas and many more free business theme samples to try out. As you can see, there's plenty of help for you to create a really nice, professional local business website, fast, quick, and easy. And training is something to worry about even less because there's plenty of it. You can find plenty of videos on YouTube, and even those WordPress theme vendors have their own training on how to install it. Even your hosting company will have a personalized way to install WordPress with just a few clicks.